this video is an eyeshadow tutorial in this look right here. I hope y'all will enjoy this and will try it out. This eyeshadow look is from the Jaclyn Hill Murphy palette. I already primed my eye. I used this Maybelline concealer. It's in shade 20 Sand Sable. And then to set it, I use this. To set it, I use this white shade right here, which is called Beam. With my crease brush, I use this right here. It's shade Silk Cream. So I'm just gonna be back and forth. Mainly I'm just gonna be in the outer, and then with what's left on the brush, I'm gonna go all the way to the inner. Alright. Then I'm gonna go in this yellow shade right here. It's called Creamsicle. I'm gonna do the same what I did with the other one, just back and forth at the outer, and then bring the rest of the product to the inner. Grabbing some more of the product, and make sure you're holding the brush at the very end, because you don't want to apply the product with a lot of force. You want to be gentle, because you have more control if you're over here than back at the very back of the point, whatever it's called. But I'm like dragging it out a little bit. So like that, and I'm gonna grab a little bit some more of the yellow. Doing the same what I did. And I can see that there's a mess right now, but I'll just clean it up later. Next shade I'm gonna be using this one, which is called Hunts. With a smaller brush which is by Morphe M411, I'm just going to be focusing on a little bit more lower. So I'm going to be focusing, you see where like the crease, wherever your crease starts, I'm going to just put it right there under it. You have to be gentle and be careful to not place it anywhere else. This eye is so sensitive right now. It's just getting watery. Oh. Go back in with the first brush that I used and just blended it out. So with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with the same brush, I'm gonna go in Mocha. Mocha is right there. You definitely want this darker shade lower, and you have to be very careful. So I'm gonna start out in the very outer. And then I'm gonna put it where I put the red. I'm gonna go back into the first brush I used, blend everything. I'm gonna add a little bit more the outer. So with a blending brush, I'm just gonna blend everything together. And I like to try to sweep off some in the inner to make it a little bit more lighter. So I go like this, which actually does help, believe it or not. With my finger, I'm gonna put this one on my lid, which is called Queen. So I'm gonna start off by the very inner. I'm not gonna go all the way, I'm just gonna stop right here. So I'm gonna use this brush just to try to sweep off some product from my eyebrows. Okay. I'm gonna use this brush right here to brighten up my brow bone. Just gonna use this white one that I used. So with the Morphe M168, I'm gonna highlight my inner corners. So I'm just gonna go in with my eyeliner and create a wing. Y'all know I love wings.
Okay, I just messed up right there, but it's okay. It's okay because I'm gonna go back in with the concealer and fix everything.
So this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all will try this look. I think it looks so pretty. I'm gonna go to work later, so it's gonna be a pretty gold reddish brown look. I put on these bold lips because I felt like it would go very pretty with the eyeshadow. I just added some highlight and I really didn't feel like putting foundation or any makeup on. So yeah, I just put on highlight and eyeshadow and lip gloss. I really don't feel like wearing any heavy makeup. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I post 3 times a week and sometimes maybe twice if I'm very busy. But I make makeup videos, lifestyle, and health. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye everyone.